everybody! In this lesson, we are going to talk about connectors and conjunctions. Connectors are used in two separate sentences. Some examples of connectors are every day, first, second, third, next, then, after that, later, and finally. We use the connectors I just mentioned to talk about our daily routines. For example, every day I get up at 7 o'clock. First, I go to the toilet and wash my face. Second, I brush my teeth. Third, I comb my hair and I get dressed. After that, I have breakfast. Next, I get ready for my English lessons. After work, I have a snack and I clean my house. Next, I watch TV and I prepare dinner. Later, I have dinner and I take a shower. Finally, I go to bed at 11 o'clock. So, remember that connectors are used between two separate sentences and that they always take a comma after them. For example, every day, first, second, third, next, after that, and so on. Now let's talk about conjunctions. Conjunctions are words such as and, but, or. They join parts of a sentence. For example, we use and to add information. So, take a look at this example. I like bananas and apples. I like bananas and apples. You see, it adds information to the sentence. Let's talk about the conjunction but. But is used to show an opposite idea. For example, I like bananas, but I don't like tomatoes. I like bananas, but I don't like tomatoes. So, can you see? The conjunction but shows us an opposite idea. In this case, I like, but I don't like. Now, let's talk about the conjunction or. We use or to show a choice between two options. For example, I don't like tomatoes or salad. I don't like tomatoes or salad. Can you see the two options in the sentence? Tomatoes or salad. One or the other. All right. Now I will show you a full example of how to use these three conjunctions. For breakfast, I like tea and toast, but I don't like coffee or yogurt. All right, now it's your turn to put the connectors and conjunctions in practice. Goodbye, children!